Hi class, how you doing? So as the promise, today I will drop the homework into the blank space. So this video will show you how to do the homework. So here you go. So you have 2 days to complete your task. So I hope it will not rush for you to complete your task because I think 2 days is kind of like enough for you. This video will show you how to do your homework, so you will not get confused. So you need to choose a topic given in the paper that I just drop it inside the blank space. So just go to the blank space and find the homework. So here, how you do. So your writing must contain introduction, to body paragraph, and also conclusion. And your writing must contain at least 200 to 250 words. I hope you will do it well, everyone. And here is our deadline. So our deadline is on the 5th of February 2019. Good luck with your homework. Please don't forget to drop it into the blank space so I can check your homework. Good luck. See you in the class.